Hi students, now I am going to discuss one of the Python program to print the following triangle. Very first line of the statement is non-executable statement which is not executed in the runtime. It is start with the hash symbol. It is start with the hash symbol. It is called single line command. Next line starting with the 3 double quotation, here ending with the 3 double quotation. It is also called command, that is multi-line command. Here I am going to read the n value from the keyboard. My input is 4. The innermost function, input function, is used to read the n value from the keyboard. First of all, it will display the message, enter the n value. After displaying the message, automatically cursor will move to the next line, that is \n. Here I am using \n. It is a escape sequence character. It will move the cursor to next line. Whatever value I am reading from the keyboard through input function, it treats as a string, so you should convert it to integer. Int function is used to convert string to integer, then it will assign to n. Okay, my input is 4. Next statement is loop statement. Here the range is 4 to 0, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. Condition is true. Then every loop statement is end with the colon. So condition is true, control comes here, comes inside the loop. Here also one loop statement, that is j value in range. N value is 4, I value 4 minus 1, 3. So 4 greater than 3, condition is true. This is here also the statement is end with the colon. Condition is true. So control comes here and it will print the j value is 4. Okay, fine. End equal to within double quotation means automatically cursor will wait immediate next column. So then control comes here. Now j value is 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 greater than 3, condition is false. Control comes here. Here I am using print statement. Nothing I didn't print here. So it will move the cursor to from here to here. Then automatically control comes here and it will decrement the I value. Here minus 1. Current I value is 4. 4 minus 1, it will become 2. 2 greater than 0, condition is true. So then control comes inside the loop. J value once again reassign. J value is n. N means that is 4. I value is 3. 3 minus 1, it will become 2. So condition is true. Control comes here. Current J value is 4. It will print and it will wait immediate next statement. Then control comes here. J value 4. 4 minus 1, it will become 3. 3 here range is 2. So condition is true. Control comes here and it will print 3 and it will wait here. Wait here. Then control comes here. J value 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 less than 2 means condition is false. Automatically control comes here. The print statement, nothing is there. Just it will move the cursor from current line to immediate next line. Then control comes here. Now I value is 3. 3 minus 1, it will become 2. So 2 greater than 0. 2 greater than 0. Condition is true. Control comes here. Control comes here. J value of J value is range, that is n value is 4. I value is 2 minus 1, it will become 1. So 4 to 1, condition is true. Control comes here and it will print the j value 4. Then control comes here and it will minus 1. 4 minus 1, it will become 3. 3 to 1, condition is true. Then it will print 3. Then it will wait here next immediate next column. Then again control comes here. Now 3 minus 1, it will become 2. 2 lower range is 1. So condition is true. Again control comes here and it will print 2. Then wait it will immediate next column. Then control comes here. That is 2 minus 1, it will become 1. Here lower range also 1. J value is also 1. So condition is false. Control comes here. Condition is false. Control comes here and immediately move the cursor to immediate next line. Then control comes here. I value 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So lower range is 0. the condition is true, control comes here, that is j value once again reassign, that is n value is 4, I value 1 minus 1, it is becomes 0. So 4, 3, 2, 1 is condition is true, the control comes here and it will print j value 4. Then control comes here and minus j value become 4 minus 1 3 to 0, condition is true, control comes here and print 3 and it will wait immediate next column, then control comes here and minus 3 minus 1 it will become 2 0, condition is true, again it will print 2, then it will wait here, then control comes here 2 minus 1 2 0, lower range is 0, so condition is true and print j value is 1. Then control comes here and 1 minus 1 it will become 0. So 0 to 0, condition is false, control comes here and move the cursor from current line to next line. Then control goes to outer loop, j value is 1, 1 minus 1 0, 0 to 0, condition is false, automatically control transfer here, there is no another statement, so program is over, F5 to run the program. For example, if n value is 4 means you can get like this output. Okay, thank you. Kindly subscribe this channel, press bell icon and share to your Facebook account.